Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel guys. So today I wanted to show you guys how I achieve this background look and this backdrop with the blur. And I wanted to let you guys know what kind of light I use and other little stuff that makes my lighting better. So if you guys would like to see that video, make sure you stay tuned. And do not forget to give me a thumbs up on the video. And if you have not subscribed already, do not forget to do so. So without further ado, let's get into the video. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, you guys, here is my official room tour with my YouTube setup. So we're going to start with the bed right here. So right here we have my bed. Okay. Got me a London, Paris, New York picture with a few prints that I got off the internet. And the frames are from Michaels. The headboard I actually made myself. Comforter from Walmart. And I have a little few books over here. The one that says 2019 and my Big Ideas book behind there. Okay, and a little frame that says let all that you do be done in love with a home goods tray. I got my throw from IKEA. Okay, that's the full bed. And right here you're going to see my mirror that I actually have in front of my bed. It's a full-length mirror that I love a lot. My clothes are over here. Okay, then next we have my vanity setup right over here, which I have my computer with my laptop and stuff like that, and a little candle right there. So got a little candle right there I got from the dollar store, and I have my laptop right here that I've had for a little while now that I love a lot. And my table I end up getting from Amazon. I got this table from Amazon. Okay, so that's my table. Right here, I got this stool, not this stool, but I got my chair from Home Goods and a little pillow that I've been had right there. So that is my vanity setup, and the grand finale is going to be my YouTube studio setup, you guys. So this is my setup right here. Okay, so let's start with the backdrop. I got the backdrop from Amazon, and the backdrop was actually about $18 with tax. And I will link everything below. Right here on the side are reflector boards. I have a reflector board right here. And then I also have one on this side. That is to simply bounce the light off of the boards and to give me even lighting, you guys. So inside of here I have my little table right here with like my little makeup and stuff like that. Little makeup here and there. Okay, got my makeup there with like a little table. Right here is my old vanity chair that I've had for quite some time now. And up under here I actually have a reflector that came from like a car, like the car reflector that you put in your car to block the sun, to actually bounce light from off the ground onto me as well. So right here is my Diva ring light. My Diva ring light actually came from Amazon too as well. Okay, it's my Diva ring light. Look, she's so bright. And that's my light right there. And behind here is my old camera. And I'm actually filming on my new camera right now. Both tripods came from Amazon as well. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys an overview of the room. So as I said, when you walk in, you have my bed right here. Okay. And then my filming setup right there. And my vanity desk right there with my computer, my laptop and stuff like that. Then over here you have my clothes, and then right here you simply have this long mirror, which I actually love this mirror so much. It's a full-size mirror, more than a full size, and I love it a lot. And yeah, so that concludes my room tour today, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed seeing my items. I really love my room a lot. I know it's small, but I basically just kind of just made do with what I had and still be neat at the same time, because I love being neat and I don't like junk. So that is my setup right there, you guys. I encourage all YouTube ladies who actually has a channel to actually do this, because it's actually not hard at all, especially to set up. You just got to have an idea and just be creative, you know. You can do anything that you want to do. So I just encourage you guys, if you want to do that, go ahead and do that, because I've always wanted a studio inside of my room. I just didn't know how I was going to do it until I finally did it, and I made it happen. So with that being said, I hope you guys truly enjoyed my video today. Thanks for clicking on the video. Thanks for supporting me, you guys. I really appreciate every like, every view that I get. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up on the video, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, you guys, because I have a lot more content coming and stuff like that, and I just want you guys to see what I have to offer on this platform. So without further ado, thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys all have a blessed one. Bye!